how to easily touch up a stone chip like this big one that we got right here using one of these paint pens and a needle, or you can use a toothpick, something like that. I'll show you guys exactly how to do that. All right, we're going to start by just unscrewing the lid of our paint. We've got a cap here from the water bottle, and I'm just going to drip some paint into there. Not a lot. We don't need a ton of paint. That's why I'm doing it this way. So you're going to see me just get a couple drops onto that water bottle cap there. Just enough that it's not going to dry out in the time that I need to work with it. Screw that. Make sure it's closed. Going to take our needle here, and we're just going to dab a little bit into there at a time. Just slowly filling it, not overfilling it, because we don't want to create a big bubble of paint that's going to take a long time to dry and also be even more noticeable, especially after installing paint protection film or a vinyl wrap. So you can tell it's slowly disappearing here. We're just filling it up as we go. Just one little dab at a time. There we go. We've got that one filled up. Now we're going to take our heat gun here. This is just going to speed up the drying and the curing process. You don't have to do this. If you got time to wait and let it dry and sit for a few hours, no problem. I wouldn't bother with this. But you want to speed it up a little bit, just take a heat gun to it and heat it up. Cure that paint. Just like that. We have touched up stone chip, ready to install our paint protection film over top. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next video.